Welcome back everybody to another episode of Boats vs. Haulover. Today's an interesting one. It's a cool day down here in Miami, but it's a calm one as well, which is going to give Haulover Inlet a major disadvantage today. But we're going to step into the ring and do battle anyway and see who can be victorious, but the boats are going to be at a huge advantage. But let's go ahead and get this battle started, and we'll go ahead and step into our first round. And our first round contestant is going to be a statement. And man, these guys are showing you what the conditions are really like down here at Haulover today. This crew's absolutely flying into the inlet, and man, this boat is packed. It appears there's about 13 people on this vessel, and they've got this thing wide open throttle as they come running into the inlet. Once again, the crews are out there having a good time today, but with reason. It's calm, and the boats are going to take a win here in the first round. But let's see what the second round holds, and if Haulover can make a comeback. It's going to be a tough task for Haulover today to be able to do this. But here we've got a little Sea Sport making its way into the inlet. These guys are playing that slow and steady wins the race kind of pace, but let's see how that one plays out for them. Here we can see they're starting to enter the mouth of the inlet, and they've got a little bit of boat wake they're dealing with, which is going to give them a little bit of fits. Oh no! The young lady here, she's going down. Haulover just nailed them. They hit them with the 3-jab combo, and that third jab took her out. I hope she's okay. She does get up pretty quickly, but the damage is done, and Haulover will take a win here in the second round. That takes us into our third round, tied at 1 apiece, and let's see who will go ahead here. And here, this formula is gonna absolutely blast its way out of the inlet. They catch a little air right there, but nothing too crazy, and look pretty good as they make their way out. I mean, it's a pretty flat day. Haulover is going to need a lot of help to even stay competitive in this competition, and it's going to get a little help. My man lost a hat, so Haulover went ahead and decided I was going to sucker punch them when they weren't paying attention and took care of my man's hat, getting it off his head. I'm going to go ahead and give it to Haulover for the heck of it on this one. Once again, Haulover's going to need all the help it can get. And that'll take us into our fourth round, and I got a feeling the boats are going to easily make a comeback, and this one's almost not even fair. On a calm day, we've got a big Invincible rolling through the inlet. Even on a rough day, this boat could just about do it at once at Haulover, but on a day like today, Haulover doesn't even stand a chance, and the boats will take a win in this round, and that'll take us into our fifth and final round, tied at 2 apiece. Who will take the win? And oh my, it appears somebody has lost a little bit of apparel. Now, this one always confuses me just a little bit. So they're pulling back into Ball Harbor and Sunny Isles. I mean, it's a heavily populated area. They're about to be near where the sandbar was and where Haulover Park is, and as they're passing by here, people are going to see them. I mean, so it's obviously done on purpose or intentional, but it's just crazy to me. But the boat's fine, makes its way into the inlet, and they take a win for the boats in this episode. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Boats vs. Haulover. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at the inlet. My channel, Broncos Guru, do some great comedy boating videos over there as well. And of course, we've got the Miami Boat Ramps channel that focuses on all the hilarity that happens in the boat ramps in South Florida. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.